Dr. Puru. Doctor, basically you said in the last interaction, you said that fasting is very much beneficial to any individual. But you also said that there are people who should not fast, right? Now, basically, is the fast, what is the time frame of fasting, and is there any such term in which is very beneficial to human body?
Yeah, actually, if you fast beyond 24 hours up to 36 hours, then a process called autophagy sets in.
What is autophagy?
Autophagy is nothing but recycling.
Okay.
All our cells die a natural death and they are excreted and the body replenishes them by new cells.
Okay.
See, our blood cells also die
Okay.
and our bone marrow produces the cells.
Okay, okay.
RBC, WBC, platelets and all those things. Now, when you undergo intermittent fasting, which is prolonged, say after 36 hours, beyond 24 hours, you can take water. You can take water, plenty of water, rather, I say. You can even take it with a pinch of salt to avoid muscle cramps and to avoid electrolyte imbalance. You can have green tea without sugar and milk. Yeah.
But any milk or biscuit is allowed?
No, I would suggest calorie should not be added for deriving maximum benefit.
Okay, that means no solid food.
Up to the limit when you fast. It can be 16 for 8, it can be 24, even it can prolong up to 7 days, but
Okay.
you have to take advice of a doctor before
Without doctor?
undergoing
Okay.
intermittent fasting. That I will repeatedly suggest. Huh?
Okay, okay.
If the estrogen, progesterone, if estrogen gets secreted with more up to 40, so there's accumulation of fat.
Okay.
In male also, it is an abdominal fat accumulation and all this stuff. Now coming back to autophagy. So if you prolong your fast beyond 24 hours, then I have already told you that after 12 hours the protein reserve and fat reserve are depleted from the body. Start get depleting and there you derive the actual benefit. Now what happens to the cells? These cells, they undergo death. And
Okay.
all those cells which undergo death are excreted out. They are destroyed and excreted out and new cells
Oh,
come.
that's a wonderful
Yeah.
thing. Is that a new concept? It's something-
Yeah, this concept was actually one Japanese scientist got Nobel Prize in 2016.
Okay, okay.
Some name is Oshumi.
Okay, we will find it out.
If I recollect. So he got Nobel Prize only explaining the benefits of this autophagy. It is such an important thing.
Is it a new, see Dr. Puru, sorry for my interruption. See, while you have studied the medical science, I think there was no such concept called autophagy.
No.
It's typically a very new thing in the world. It means people in the West are trying their best to adapt that thing in the medicine.
Actually, cell death and cell excretion and replenishment of new cell is a medical consequence in the medical textbooks. But the benefits of intermittent fasting leading to autophagy, this is definitely a new
It's
concept.
a new concept.
This is definitely a new concept. And our body gets tremendous benefits. Suppose even a cancer patient undergoing chemotherapy can get a huge benefit from this.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay,
because this
that's a new
autophagy.
thing.
This autophagy.
Okay.
Because the cancer, there is multiplication of these cells.
Okay, yes,
And these
yes.
cancerous cells spread throughout the body and the healthy cells get diminished. Now, when you deprive nutrition by fasting, then these cancer cells undergo spontaneous cell death.